Hey everybody, my name is Kalle Slaap, watchmaker from the Netherlands, and I really wanted to share this one with you. I am quite excited. It's a Gerald Genta full calendar, and we have moon phase, month, date and day of the week, and it's an automatic and it is very thin. The first one of its kind we get here in the workshop, and we do get many watches. I want to show you. Coming Tuesday we are going to do the full restoration of this watch. But look at this. You're watching now. This is the microscope, and you're watching with me to what we're working on, and it is an unusual movement. It's a decentralized automatic. I use a bit of packwood so I don't make any scratches. Look at this. Gerald Genta, automatic, really thin, economic, but all the real magic happens underneath the dial, the full calendar. So we are going to do a full restoration, because if you see this, there is something really wrong with balance spring, and it's not just magnetism. You can see it's bent. That really needs some serious attention. Through the shock system we see that it's been quite a long time since it's seen any maintenance. And then, last but not least, here we see that the dial has been, well, restored previously. You can see the glue on the sides, but the blue you see the chipping, that is a mineral. So that's not just a paint job, it's a mineral. It is stone. Look at that. Well, we really have to see if we can get rid of the excess glue. Here inside on the dial of the moon phase, I saw some. Do you see the moisture? We'll have a look about that. We do have to address that. Is there? Here's an oiler. Here. Where are we? Here. Really curious what that is. And well, we're not the first to enter, as you see, but if I hold the crown stationary with my right hand, just have a look at the dial. I hope that's visible, but the dial feet are probably broken. A lot of work to do, but I am really excited, because again all the magic happens underneath the dial. So coming Tuesday the 13th, 8:30 Central European time, you can witness the full restoration of this beautiful Gerald Genta full calendar. Hope you join me, and hope to see you coming Tuesday. Enjoy your weekend. See ya. Bye bye.